In this video, I will show you how to add ROMs to your PPSSPP emulator on your iPhone or iPad. Now, PPSSPP is a PSP emulator legally available for free on the Play Store or App Store.
Oh, yeah!
Now, simply start by opening your App Store, search for PPSSPP. Now, once you search for this, you are going to see the app. So just go ahead and install this app to your device. Now, once installed to your device, this app is actually going to create a PSP folder. So once I open it right now, you can see the interface is open, but there's no game to play. So let's open our file manager. Once I go to my file manager right now, normally it's going to open up like this. So once it opens up like this, I'm going to click on my iPhone. So once I click on this, you can see there's a PSP folder in here. You can see that. So right now, let's locate our PSP game file. So if I go to the UC download section, you can see I have some games in here. So I'm going to be extracting some of these games. So to extract any game, simply hold down on the game, especially if it's actually a zip file. So just hold down on the game. So I'll hold down on this. You're going to see the uncompress option. So click on it. So once you click on that, it's going to start uncompressing the game file. So I'm going to do the same thing for this other one. So I'm going to hold down on it. I'll click on uncompress. And just like that, it's also going to uncompress the game file. So right now, we need to move this game file to the PSP folder. So I'm going to hold down on it. I'll see the move option. I'll click on the move option. And then I'll take it to the game file. So right now, I'm going to do the same thing for this second game file. So I'll hold down on it, click on move, then I locate my PSP folder. You can see my PSP folder. I'll locate it, PSP game. I'll move it in there. And right now, I'm done moving those two games into my PSP game folder. So all I have to do now is just reopen my PPSSPP emulator. I'll click on PSP. I'll click on game. And you can see that the two games are there and they are ready to play. Now, you're actually going to be needing some settings to give you the best, performance and FPS when you are playing PSP games on the PPSSPP emulator. I already have a dedicated video for that, and I'm going to be recommending it at the end of this video. So do make sure to stick to the end of this video so you can get access to those settings.
Oh, yeah! Free kick, he's given the advantage. Leo Walcott. He's got the beating of them.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.